Are you ready for the factory of the future? Because it's here today. And good thing, to be competitive today, manufacturers need to be responsive to complex customer expectations, agile enough to shift from mass production to mass customization, and adaptable to new markets and new models. And they need to do all that while maintaining quality, efficiency, and compliance. The factory of the future makes it all possible. It combines the creativity of the virtual world with the realities of the physical world to deliver new ways of manufacturing. With the factory of the future, you can use a virtual experience twin to model any manufacturing process and resource before implementing it. You can optimize your supply chain across the entire manufacturing network. And you can increase performance by managing operations on the plant floor. Dassault Systems collaborates with companies worldwide to make the factory of the future deliver value today. At our Factory of the Future website, you'll discover the 3D experience platform in action. You'll see exactly how it extends the virtual world to improve manufacturing in the real world. And you'll get access to valuable thought leadership, including white papers and webinars. With Dassault Systems Solutions, you can make the factory of the future your factory of today.